In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to have your own cooking show. Jessica is a mom to 2 young children and she's using a cooking show to build her work from home business.
I don't even know what the hell the thing is called. Panamanian garbanzo sofrito. All right. Hello and welcome to Cooking with Jess. Today we have something special. We're going to make Panamanian garbanzo sofrito. I'm super excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. I really am excited about this. We're going to go all the way to Panama on this to make a sofrito. What is a sofrito? So, simply put, it's just a base made out of vegetables and herbs, some spices, and that's pretty much used throughout the Caribbean.
If you want to be on the Food Network or one of the other TV channels or streaming platforms, the easiest way to do it is to create your own cooking show on YouTube so you can skip the audition process. Creating your own show is the best audition you can do. From your home kitchen, you can put yourself on the big screen TV inside the homes of the people who can open doors for you to get a TV deal on a major platform. This is also how you put yourself in front of sponsors who will pay you to promote their products. You can turn your kitchen into your dream kitchen without you having to pay for anything. There's nothing wrong with Jessica's kitchen appliances, for example, but if she did want new ones, she wouldn't have to pay for them because she can get sponsors to provide top of the line equipment.
Welcome to Cooking with Jess. Oh, welcome to Cooking with Jess. We are going to make a what?
Was I out of the frame before you started talking? Damn.
Please don't interrupt the talent. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Cooking with Jess. Today we're going to make vegan pad thai. Now, there are some who think that
Take that picture with you.
I resemble. I resemble you. That's what they say. Welcome to Cooking with Jess. We have something fun today and not a lot of ingredients. If you're interested, like I'm interested in cutting carbs sometimes, but you want food that's flavorful, enter in the carb-free rice and peas. Your eyebrows. Welcome to Cooking with Jess. We're going to make a simple, fun vegan pizza. Welcome to Cooking with Jess. Today I have a tried and true recipe that I use. I call this my airport sandwich. Why do I call this my airport sandwich?
And that's how simple it is to have your own cooking show on TV that you can use to create all kinds of opportunities for yourself. A cooking show is a work from home business that allows you to earn a full time income from working just a few hours per week. And with my Celebrity Chef Masterclass, you can have your own cooking show on TV in just 5 days. To learn more, use the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.